Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Grishma K. I am pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's course title is Waste Management. Course code BETCK105F and the topic is Waste Stream Assessment, Waste Generation and Waste Composition. Coming to the introduction part, in this presentation, we will know what is waste stream assessment, its importance, methods, key sites in waste stream assessment, field investigation, waste generation and waste composition. Waste stream assessment is a systematic evaluation of the types and quantities of waste generated in a particular area or system. It involves analyzing the sources, characteristics and composition of waste to identify opportunities for waste reduction, recycling and proper disposal. This assessment helps in understanding the overall waste management scenery and supports informed decision making. Importance. Waste stream assessment plays a crucial role in waste management. It helps in identifying hotspots, resource allocation and monitoring progress. And also waste stream assessment is important because it identifies major material categories and their quantities in the waste stream, help rank materials according to their impact on the local waste stream, provides important data to discover opportunities for waste reduction. Its importance for better assessment and planning of urban infrastructure. Key steps in waste stream assessment. Waste stream assessment involves several key steps. First one, data collection, gathering information on waste generation sources and quantities. Next, characterization, analyzing the composition of waste through sampling and sorting. Third one, data analysis, identify trends, patterns and opportunities for waste reduction. Last one is recommendation, developing strategies for waste management improvement based on the assessment findings. Methods of waste stream assessment. There are various methods used for waste stream assessment including first one, visual inspection, observing waste streams to estimate composition. Second one, sampling and sorting, collecting waste samples and categorizing them for analysis. Last one is weighing and recording, collecting waste samples and categorizing them for analysis. Field investigation can be classified into three types. They are waste sorting, vehicle weighing, field visits. Waste sorting. Waste sorting is the process of separating and categorizing different types of waste material to facilitate recycling and proper disposal. It typically involves separating waste into categories like recyclables, example paper, glass, plastic, metal, inorganic waste, example food. Vehicle weighing. Vehicle weighing is an important aspect of waste stream assessment, especially in the field of waste management and recycling. It involves the measurement of the weight of vehicles before and after they have been loaded with waste materials. This process is used to gather data and information that can help in the effective management and optimization of waste collection and disposal operations. Third one is field visiting. Field visiting in waste management involves going to various locations to observe, assess and gather information related to waste management practice. This could include visit to waste disposal sites, recycling facilities, composting center and other relevant locations. Waste generation. Waste generation refers to the process of producing, creating or regenerating various types of waste materials which can range from solid waste, liquid waste to hazardous waste. It is significant environmental and economic concern as the volume and composition of waste generation can have impact on public health, the environment and resource management. Waste composition. Waste composition analysis is a critical component of waste stream assessment as it provides valuable insights into the types of quantities of materials make the waste generated in a specific area or from a particular source. Understanding waste composition is essential for waste management planning, recycling programs, resource recovery, and environmental impact assessment. Benefits of waste stream assessment. Waste stream assessment offers several benefits. First one is informed decision making, providing data driven insight for developing effective waste management strategies. Waste reduction, identifying opportunities for waste reduction, recycling, and resource recovery. Last one is cost saving, optimizing waste management resources and reducing disposal costs. Factors causing variation: geographic location, seasonal variation, cultural and social activities, economical factors, industrial and commercial activities, demographics, waste management practices, regulation and practice policies, environmental awareness and education, waste to energy practices, tourism and special events, climate and weather conditions, crisis on pandemic situation, waste reduction initiatives. And last, coming to the conclusion, waste stream assessment is a vital process to understand waste generation and composition. It enables informed decision making, waste reduction, cost saving, and environmental protection. By following best practices and embracing future trends, we can further enhance waste management practices and move towards more suitable, sustainable future. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.